Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Gaming Fever 23 joined by Gaming Fever 01. Check out his channel. And today we're starting a new series and it's gonna be called Living in the Nether and Surviving in it. Yep. So anyways, before we start off, there are some rules which apply to this world. The rule number 1, I cannot come back to this world ever again. Yeah, that's the point of surviving in the Nether. And the rule number 2 is that I never get to I mean I mean yeah.
That makes sense.
Yeah, just a minute, I'm formulating it. Yeah, keep inventories on.
Because he is most likely to screw up. Everyone knows that.
And we do get a few things, so let's go. Okay guys, we've spawned in the Nether and we're in the, what is this biome called?
Warp forest.
Yeah, so let's just do this. We're never coming back to the overworld, so let's just get rid of this.
Get rid of the evidence.
Yep. And I do get some stuff. Okay guys, we're on. And whoa, what's with the music?
Yeah.
We're in survival, so we get these things. So let's just start off and place the nether anchor. There's like a lot of endermen, so let's just charge this up.
And then
Yep, and respawn point set. So yeah, we get a few things to start with. I'm just gonna look down because there's like so many endermen here. So we get 2 leads because I have a big idea in my mind. Diamond pickaxe because it's for ores, specifically for the ancient debris, because it can only be mined by a diamond pickaxe. Then we have 16 eggs for a food source as a chicken farm. Then we have a lodestone and a compass to locate home. And that's all we get to start off.
okay, place the lodestone down.
Yeah, I guess I'm gonna place the lodestone down as well. Yup, and we have it working now. A lodestone compass. Nice.
Okay, punch trees
Yeah, let's just punch trees.
for your basic crafting table. For
Okay.
now.
I'm scared out of my mind for that. Okay, let's mine this wood and quickly start off with some stuff. There's so many endermen here, I don't want to look at them. Whoa, mining wood in this makes a weird sound, like a very weird sound.
Yeah. Very weird.
I mean, you can probably hear it.
Okay, get to crafting.
Okay, so I guess this is where we'll build our house. First episode, we need to build house because this is the Nether.
You can't really start a mine, so not much options.
I mean, you can, but not yet. It's not the right time. So let's just build a crafting table. Just one, press shift, and let's place it down over here.
Okay, hunt for gold.
And now we go on a hunt for gold because piglins will kill us on contact or sight unless we have some gold armor. You know, let's actually make a chest and keep some of our stuff in that, even though, did I just lose? Oh wait, I have this. See, that's why we need it. The nether cannot be
You almost
navigated.
just lost it, and we're just like less than a minute into recording.
Let's just keep a chest here and store some of our basic stuff in here.
So I assume you're building home around this place.
This is my home. Just need to build the walls around it and done so. But that's for later. First, let's get some gold armor. Just one piece of armor would be okay. Oh, there's some glowstone. Yes, that will be okay. Because, guys, if we run out of our another anchor respawns, well, we're dead. It's game over. Because we broke the first rule by going to the overworld. So yeah, we can't mine with the diamond pickaxe because it's not an ore. Gold! Well, we can't mine. We can mine this. Let's just break this carefully. So yeah, the game is over because we just broke the first rule, the most important one, not to go in the overworld. So we need some glowstone spare to keep it charged up always. Okay, let's go. Okay, and let's continue. Let's just get as much glowstone as we can. We got some gold. This isn't sufficient though for any armor. I think we'll not craft boots because those are the most easily breakable ones because will fall damage and they're gone. Oh, there's some gold on the ceiling.
Yeah, just don't go for it.
Yeah, I mean the gold is plenty around here. The ore, sort of. It's not that difficult to find really. Okay, we have a stack over.
Wow,
Glowstone.
is easy to find.
Oh,
Wish it
gold,
was
gold,
this-
gold. There's some gold in there.
Oh man, you're gonna have to build up to that. At one point, you need some bone meal so that you don't run out of the planks.
I'm just gonna have to break with this because,
You should have made a wooden pickaxe.
yup. Oh, there's an enderman right there. Oh, vines. I mean, we can use that in our build.
Those weird twisted vines or whatever they're called.
Yeah, I guess this is good enough for gold armor to start off.
Okay, go back to home. I don't know how much this would craft.
This will craft
Six
ingots.
Yeah, so enough for your
Pants. Yeah, I guess pants are the
There's
best
7.
option. Please don't tell me I just looked into that enderman's eye. No, I didn't.
Pants require a few more. You need like
7.
63, so you need 8.
Oh. I mean, we could always craft the good old helmet.
Yeah, that's what I'm suggesting.
Okay, there was a hole in your
Very-
hole, in fact.
Very unnatural hole, if I say.
Yeah, home is over there. Apparently.
How in the world did you get up? Oh, it's there somewhere.
Yeah, behind that hill, that dune.
I would not suggest going down.
Wait, these are like vines, like actual vines. You can climb up and down.
Oh,
Wait, you can collect this?
I mean,
What?
I don't know what the use of it is, but ooh, mushroom is useful.
Okay, I should not hold my diamond pickaxe because okay, you just took some fall damage. No, I did not see in your eyes. Enderman, ignore me.
Enderman, you ugly man. He's not looking at you.
Yup, our house is behind this. Let's just navigate around this. Okay, wow, where is our house? Oh, here it is.
You mean by house you mean the little 4 pieces of equipment you have lying around?
Yeah. Okay. Oh, that was very close. I almost. You know, let's just stay away from them.
Just look down.
Okay, that was another close call.
Okay, get to crafting.
Let's just craft these glowstone blocks.
Keep them in your chest, I would suggest.
Let's craft this. And the funny thing is, we haven't encountered any pigmen now, which is sort of.
Piglins or whatever.
Yeah, that's sort of suspicious. Let's just store the important things we need for later. That.
I would say plant the mushroom so that it spreads.
Let's make a pickaxe. I mean,
What?
axe and a pickaxe. Wait, I just pressed. Why? I just pressed shift. Okay, I was almost gonna redo the same mistake. I think we can keep a diamond pickaxe in there for now because we're just gonna be wandering around in this area. Yup,
Yeah,
let's go.
Just get to chopping trees.
Wow, it makes a weird sound.
Yeah. Like, whoa.
Wow, that was a
Wow,
small
that
tree.
was a shorty tree. Man, why are these trees so short?
Man, I want to explore all the biomes though. Okay, there's a cliff here. That's not good. Well, there are cliffs and lava everywhere.
Okay, you looked into that guy's eye.
Please don't tell me he knows. Okay, we're dead. This is not a good start.
Why are you hitting him?
Okay, we need to recharge this now. Wow, we died already. Yeah, the Enderman is our main concern. Yep, it's fired up again. Fully charged, I guess. Yeah. So let's start building our home. Yeah, we're gonna have to get rid of this.
Sounds like dirt.
It's nether dirt.
Yet you have to mine it with a pickaxe.
Exactly. Let's just build a temporary base for now.
A little hot thing.
Let's also mine stuff around this. Okay, now we're back and let's build a little basic structure of the house. I'm gonna have to make.
No, don't waste your planks like that. Put a nether rack where.
Oh yeah, we did terraform this area a little. Let's just waste our nether rack on this. You're not retrieving it is not even worth it. So let's just do the borders because the floor won't be netherrack, I guess. So we'll keep the house around small hut type-ish place. Yeah, this is good enough. Oh shoot.
Almost just looked at his face.
Okay. Oops. How can you get that every time? I mean, whenever you play this, you relate to the overworld and wow, he's inside the house. The Enderman. I mean, whenever you play, you can relate to the overworld, and I don't know, this just feels weird because when you break this, oh, never mind. Okay, let's just store this and build the borders. They make a weird sound even while placing it. He's in the house and he has a grass in his
Nether
hand.
grass. Yeah, we call it that. Nether grass.
Okay, don't look at his face. Let's get more wood.
I think you put away some wood.
No, I'm pretty sure I didn't. Yep, we don't have any wood in here. We didn't get much wood anyways. Stay away from me, Enderman. I'll stay away from you.
Wow, that sounds very weird.
I don't know. It sounds like a somewhat a drum roll sort of, but the
very
weird.
low pitched drum roll. Okay.
What's wrong with you, stupid Enderman?
Run to your house.
And we're safe nowhere. It's Endermans. Wow.
You just looked at two Endermen.
I didn't. It's hard not to look at them. Okay.
Well, they're all over the place. I'll give you that.
At least we keep inventory on. Or else this could have been a disaster. Why are they inside my house? Get out of here,
Because you
Enderman.
need to put a roof on it that they can't get on.
So you want me to make a 2x2 or 2 height space? So
Do you want Endermen in your house?
okay, that's a good point. Well, that's a 2 by that's a very small house
I know. You can expand it.
underground.
later.
Yeah, let's get more wood now.
Oh yeah, expanding underground is pretty risky.
Oh yeah, considering we're in the nether. But I think we can take the risk. Okay, let's keep getting these. Wow, that's still weird. And yeah, the nether update also has stone in it. It's called black stone.
Oh yeah, that's good.
Shroom light. That could be used for a decoration. I mean, we're not making a very classy home in here. Just a normal good home, small enough. Okay. Stop, Enderman. Stop haunting me. Let's just create some of these and leave some of them out.
have a door,
Yeah, this will be the entrance.
and then from there you start your
Now
ceiling.
in the corners, I'll keep these.
Oh my god, what a waste.
I mean, we're not living in something that bad.
Eh, that is true.
At least keep some sort of decorations and all. Okay, that does not look good at all from this side. Oh, it does look good from this side, where the door shall be. Okay, let's keep a shroom light like over here, I guess.
Yeah. The best part about warped and crimson wood is that it does not burn. So you can have like a good lava chilling in your.
It does not.
Yeah.
Well, I didn't know that. Now we need more wood. Let's collect some more. Okay. Okay, there are so many Endermen. This is freaking me out.
Okay, guys, and I will be joining the series soon. Soon, as in when we beat the Ender Dragon, but we're pretty close after
Yeah,
our.
the tested yard isn't currently joining us because if he switches over, we have a risk of losing our original The Series world. So we don't really want to take the risk.
Why are you mining that stuff with the pickaxe?
So yeah, we don't really want to take the risk
Yeah.
of losing our world or glitching it out or whatever. So we're gonna upload the snapshot on it after we defeat the Ender Dragon and all. So we're still only a short way from the Ender Dragon. So that
It
the
should
tested
be
yard
in
should join us soon.
It should be in 2 episodes that we'll be done with the dragon and possibly even the Elytra. Don't know how far the portal is, so basically it all depends on that.
Okay, I saw it.
You just looked into his face. You not that good at, and you're just staring him down or something.
Okay, I don't think he can come. Okay, he can definitely come in. Did he exit? I mean, leave us? I guess he did. Wow, I didn't know they'd leave you. Well, this home definitely does it, serves its purpose. Keeps us safe.
Okay, wow, that guy's still angry. I would say you beat the kid up.
Where is he? Okay, not looking at the wrong guy. Okay, I think he left or something. Apparently,
Yeah, I didn't know they'd do that.
at least they left us. Yeah, and then
Yeah, okay.
all 4 corners are done. Now we can convert this into wood planks.
It's a nice little bit of wood that you get. Oh, yeah, and instead of ladders, just use the vines.
Okay, we're gonna definitely have to mine some more wood. So we'll be back. Okay, we got more wood. That Enderman stopped attacking us apparently. Maybe he still might be mad. I don't know. I think this is enough to finish the build.
And yes, it's going to be a very small room so that Enderman can't get in.
Yeah, it's gonna be a 2 height room. I mean, a height with of only 2 blocks so that Enderman can't get in. So it will be like a safe
A
spot
safe zone.
for us.
No.
Let's actually keep these corner blocks over here of room lights. It just looks better.
You did get a fair bit of room lights.
Because
So.
they're not that rare. And let's place that last room light above the one which is down here. So here apparently. Yep, the roof is now finished. Now making it look good is another thing. Wow, this looks good. Looks
Yeah.
comfy. Like this is good for the nether.
Nice and roomy.
Yup, it feels good. What are we gonna do with 3 doors? I mean, it does give. Oh, those doors look sick.
Yeah, I would say put it on the outside because if you don't, it bugs me. Should you? You're gonna make pressure plate for that so that you
It's not just a normal door.
see that that's annoying.
Okay, yeah, you are right. Yeah, that's good.
It's a nice functional house, so good enough.
Okay, now we're not done yet though. So let's make some stairs
Why?
for the roof.
Huh? Yeah. Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna have to do it from the outside.
That's not the one. That's not how you're supposed to do it. You're supposed to put it on.
They're on top of my house now.
Well, that's an issue we didn't consider. Hey, he's not angry though. Doesn't matter.
Just ignore me, Enderman. I'm minding my own business. You mind your own business.
I mind my own business. You should too.
Okay, wow, this is gonna take a long time to break.
You should get yourself a new axe.
Yup, let's do that.
Parkour!
Can we just do this? Yes, we can. Oh, this is shorter and faster. Yup. Okay, that Enderman is right there. Okay, we're gonna need a lot more stairs. So I'll just collect the wood and we'll be back. Okay guys, we've mined some more stuff. And by wood, I mean stuff, I mean wood. And we also found like some gold ore, which was nice. Just stay near like a safe area. Nothing can happen to us. So yeah, we did mine some gold. And apparently you can mine it with a wooden pickaxe as well. Who knew that? I mean, you might have known that. Not me. This is for later. Let's get a ton of up. Let's also get like a ton of staircases. Hopefully that's enough. They're still everywhere. So annoying to have them just running around.
Oh my god, they're doo-doo.
Okay. Oh, I misplaced it.
So I think what you should do is like a hut type thing where they have staircase and it keeps increasing.
That
Like
is what
the-
I am doing. If you didn't realize.
Oh, okay, that's okay.
Why do you... Wait, that became dark all of a sudden when we started mining it. Weird effect.
Okay, you got the upper bit. So you have to aim for the lower bit if you want to get it placed right.
Yeah, I guess that's it.
Man, Enderman are trash.
Why? This time I aimed for the lower bit. Okay guys, so I've decided that we'll keep this upper area. I mean, we will enclose it completely in ladders, but I mean stairs, but this will be like a very tiny room with hardly any space. So this will be our storage room. Yeah, let's continue building. Okay guys, so we're done with the roof. Now all we need is like 2 or 3 slabs, but we have to craft 6. Great. And let's place these over here, and we're done. So this is it, the ceiling or the roof or like the storage. Okay, our door's broken. Well, that's because an Enderman just showed up and took this block away from us. Plus, I mean, I would honestly get it back from him, but we're in no shape to fight him. Honestly, we're in no shape to do anything. So yeah, let's relocate all of this stuff upstairs, I guess, because that's the storage room. Yep, we got everything.
Oh,
Now
nice.
we can't place it over there.
You can. I think stairs can work. Yeah.
Oh, that's nice.
So you have plenty of storage space over here.
That's nice. Let's just make some chests, like 2 or 3 more.
I would suggest 3 more
Yup.
so that you can get a 2 large chest. Asymmetrical.
Doesn't really matter, honestly.
True. This game is about survival, not
So I guess we'll keep all of our blocks in this place. And this shall be other stuff.
blocks and other stuff. The two main things. I would suggest you craft your nuggets into whatever
Yup.
it's called.
You make ingots.
Yes, that.
And let's also relocate this to the corner so that we get some more open space on the entrance.
Or shove it in the ground.
No. I guess we'll do 3 shroom lights as well. Let's just take this.
Wait, 3 shroom lights were. Oh,
In the
down.
3 corners, other than the one where the crafting table is. You know, it gives like the good touch to the house.
Nice and extra light. Though I doubt you'll need it.
Yeah, there's
But
not
never
much things.
hurts. Never hurts.
Yep. So yeah, let's craft these into ingots as well. Oh, we're one nugget short from another ingot.
So what are you gonna do now?
Well, I guess this is it, guys. Let's just have a little review from outside how our house looks like, and not look at Enderman. Oh yeah, no, never mind. There is some things we need to do. Okay, let's go. Why am I wanted to open inventory. I mean close it, but then I ended up searching stuff. Okay, we're gonna need more planks.
And a pick.
That's almost dead. Let's just carry more planks. So let's just get rid of this.
Netherrack. Ew, you look bad.
Yeah, much
Real
better.
bad.
Let's just try looking at all sides, and let's terraform this a little bit as well. Yeah, this side looks good. Yep, let's make a new pickaxe. Okay, now is the finishing touches of the house. Yeah, I'm overall proud of what I've done till now. This is like a great house, I think, especially for another build. Well, temple like thing. I mean, we don't have many building blocks, so if I find a crimson forest by any chance, then I'll replace the stairs or the walls with redwood planks. That would look better, but for now this is good enough. I like it. The interiors, I like the interiors as well. It's just great, shiny and all. We've got a good storage room in here. Let's just make 2 more chests. And now we got a separate thing for.
Wait, I think it is symmetrical actually.
Yeah, this is miscellaneous chest.
Yeah. And you make
And this is like the
valuables.
valuables chest and materials chest. Yep. And anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, and also check out Gaming Fever 01's channel. And that's all for today. Goodbye.